how to change now playing status in Discord and how you can set a custom Discord status. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your Discord custom status to something else from now playing to a custom one. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you have a status on Discord that simply shows what you're playing and what you're listening, and then you want to set a custom status so that other people cannot be able to see, no matter what you do, it'll only show that specific custom status that you've currently entered in the Discord application. So what you want to do is, first of all, just go ahead and launch the Discord app. Then you want to simply come to your profile page by tapping on this little smiley icon here. Once you tap on the smiley icon and come here, you can see currently my status is set to online. You can set idle, DND or invisible, but in order to set a custom status, you can just choose the option called set a custom status. Now first of all, just enter the new status that you would like to change to. So I'll just select now playing, and then if I want to set a specific game, I'll also just select the option called Roblox over here. And once you select now playing Roblox or whatever else that you want, you can choose when you want this to be cleared, such as tomorrow, 4 hours, and clear in 1 hour, clear in 30 minutes, or do not clear at all, depending upon whatever you want to do over here. And then once you've done that, just tap on the save option. Now when you come to your profile page, you'll be able to see now playing Roblox, and when you come to other people's profile page as well, let's say that you're on a specific server as well, you should be able to see now playing Roblox status when other members actually see this. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually set a custom playing status on Discord. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.